After a heart attack and a stroke, at 65, Zena's used to the routine of daily statins and other heart medication. An inherited condition means her cholesterol levels are always high, but soon she could be one of hundreds of thousands offered a groundbreaking injection.
Cardiovascular disease can be invisible, to look at people. The stuff that's going on behind that can be quite traumatic. And so I felt that I'd lost everything. I lost my confidence. I lost my, verve, my ability to think, why am I living? It was, a really intense time.
While statins are tablets that are taken daily, Inclisiran is injected twice a year. It works by interfering with the genetic material of the liver, stopping the production of a protein that increases bad cholesterol called PCSK9 and helps the liver to remove that harmful cholesterol from the blood. NHS England believe it could save 30,000 lives within a decade.
Do you think this is going to be seen as a turning point, this injection? How significant is it, I guess?
I think so. I think there are lots of different things about it. Firstly, with a lot of new medications, often we don't get to implement them as quickly as we'd like because we have a kind of process whereby it's specialist clinics only. But there's a bottleneck there, which is the referral process, and that can take time.
The injection's being recommended for people who've had a stroke or a heart attack and aren't responding to other treatment, but it is expensive. It costs around £2,000 for every dose. An undisclosed agreement was reached with the NHS.
The treatment for statins costs a few pounds rather than thousands of pounds. So I think in the first instance, this drug, I don't, your audience should hear that this is not going to be widely available for your GP next week, but clearly it's an advance because it'll be very valuable for people who, as I said, cannot get the cholesterol lower with statins alone, or who are intolerant of statins, who will go to established heart disease. So it is very welcome news.
More than 2 in 5 people in England are thought to have high cholesterol. And like Zena, many will now be looking to this game-changing drug, a simple injection that will save lives. Ali Fortescue, Sky News.
Well, we've had the latest COVID data for the whole of the UK. There have been a further 35,693 new cases of coronavirus reported in the latest 24-hour period. A further 207 people have died after contracting COVID. And this number is likely to include some delayed reporting due to the bank holiday. It takes the total number of people who've died within 28 days of a positive test to 132,742. Let's bring in our health correspondent, Ashish Joshi now. Hello to you, Ashish. So